Genesis 8. God remembered Noah and all the wild animals and livestock that were with him in the ark. He caused a wind to blow across the earth, and the waters began to recede. The springs of the deep and the windows of the heavens were closed, and the rain from the sky stopped falling. Little by little, the water began to go down across the earth. After 150 days, the waters had decreased. On the 17th day of the 7th month, the ark came to rest on the mountains of Ararat. The water kept going down until the 10th month, and on the first day of that month, the tops of mountains became visible. After 40 days had passed, Noah opened the window he had made in the ark and sent out a raven. The raven kept flying back and forth until the water had dried up from the earth. Then Noah sent out another bird, a dove, to see if the water had gone down from the surface of the ground. But the dove found no place to rest its feet, because water still covered the whole earth. So it returned to Noah in the ark. He reached out his hand, took the dove, and brought it back to himself inside. He waited 7 more days and then sent the dove out from the ark again. That evening, the dove came back to him, and in its beak was a freshly plucked olive leaf. So Noah knew that the water had almost dried up from the earth. He waited another 7 days and sent the dove out again, but this time it did not return to him. By the first day of the first month of Noah's 601st year, the water had completely dried up from the earth. Noah then removed the covering of the ark and saw that the ground was dry. By the 27th day of the 2nd month, the earth was completely dry. Then God spoke to Noah.
"Come out of the ark, you and your wife, and your sons and their wives. Bring out every kind of living creature that is with you, the birds, the animals, and all the creatures that move along the ground, so they can multiply on the earth, be fruitful, and increase in number."
So Noah came out, together with his sons, his wife, and his sons' wives. Every kind of animal, every creature that crawls, and every bird, everything that moves on land, came out of the ark, each according to its kind. Then Noah built an altar to the Lord. He took some of all the clean animals and clean birds, and offered burnt offerings on the altar. The Lord smelled the pleasing aroma and said in his heart,
"I will never again curse the ground because of humans, even though their hearts are inclined toward evil from childhood. And I will never again destroy all living creatures, as I have done. As long as the earth remains, there will be planting and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night. These will never cease.